To install Apollo Group TV, the main thing on your Fire Stick you have to follow is simply click on the setting icon from the right bottom of the screen and select My Fire icon, and from there you should look to the device and software setting, that is My Fire TV. Click on this option, and then if you're using a television built in Fire OS, so you have to enable the developer option. For older, follow the step 3, 4, 5, and for new, uh, you have to follow step 6. Now simply turn on the setting. But however, if you don't see any option like the developer setting on your Fire Stick, if the developer setting is not directly available, you have to click 7 times on this about button, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the 7th you will get developer setting open in front of you. For older Fire Stick, return to the Fire Stick home screen, and here over the search you have to search, click on the find option, and you can see also there's a search option. Type downloader in the search option and simply click on the go button to run this command and install the application called downloader that is in front of you. So click on this option and click on the open here. Now allow all the setting. You see the prompt here, and this is a quick guide. On the downloader homepage, you have to enter this code 299336. This is a code for Apollo Group TV application. So you have to run this command on the search option. If you enter the URL correctly, the download will begin. Wait until the download is complete. Select install it, and then you will see that Apollo Group TV is now installed on your PC, and then you can use it without having any problem or any issues. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.